2.
Okay, Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera kepada pensyarah yang nilai tugasan saya. Okay, nama saya Mohamad Mustaqim daripada Beliau Muslimban jurusan Bachelor of Manufacturing Management with Hanas. Okay, nombor matrik saya 920208055513 001. Okay, hari ini saya akan membentangkan tajuk tentang Innovation and Technology Management. Okay. First, introduction. What is innovation? Innovation is seeking a new concept or new ideas that will be applied for realizing the competitive advantage to the firm or an organization by Cherun Biguya 2014. Okay, according to the Thomason 2018, innovation can be described as the generation, acceptance and also implementation of new ideas, processes, products or service that can give benefit or profit to the organization or firm. Okay, go to the second slide. Okay, there is 4 basic type of innovation. Firstly is basic innovation. Secondly is breakthrough innovation. Number 3 is sustaining innovation, and lastly is disruptive innovation. Okay, first type of innovation is basic innovation. Okay, basic innovation can be described as the fundamental, theoretical or experimental research to the advanced knowledge without specific practical application. Okay, breakthrough innovation can be described as the technology innovation which is based on the major advances in existing technology and replacement of existing alternative. And the second one is the market innovation, which is address new emerging markets. Okay, number 3 is sustaining innovation. Okay, sustaining innovation can be described as the development and improvement operating within established market and with pre-existing product ideas and concept, but enhancing, improving performance and making things better. Okay, number 4 is disruptive innovation. Disruptive innovation can be described as any new technology or startup that aim to shaking up the industry and alters in competitive pattern previously successful incumbents facing difficulties or going out of business is routinely said to have been disrupted. Okay. Okay, we go deeply in basic innovation. Okay, basic innovation is most of scientific research, whether in academic or industry. It's a hybrid that leads new generation of knowledge and subsequent exploitation. Okay. Basic innovation is every country need to be able to generate their own scientific knowledge through research and adapt this to their own countries, because in this way can get return on their investment. And Auto also said that investment in basic scientific research is starting point for long-term and sustainable economic development. Okay, we can see the example. This is first generation of phone until the last one is the last generation. Okay. Basic type number 2 of innovation is breakthrough innovation. Okay, breakthrough. Okay, breakthrough can be described as innovation can be defined as pushing the limit of science and technology with all the challenges that need to be tackled. It also can be defined as an innovation from inside company that pushes something to the next level. Okay, we can see the example. This is first generation of Windows 1 in 1985 until now. Windows 10 that begin from 2015. Okay. Basic type innovation number 3 is sustaining innovation. Okay. Sustaining innovation is about development and improvement operating within established market and with pre-existing product, ideas and concept, but enhancing, improving performance and making things better. Okay, we can see the example, LCD curved screen and the phone, new generation of phone. Okay, the lastly is disruptive innovation. the last type of innovation is disruptive innovation. Okay, disruptive innovation defined as a process which is a smaller company with less resources can challenge with others existing company successfully by focusing on improving their products and service that needed by the customer. Okay, point number 2 is the characteristic of disruptive innovation is high risk and challenging due to always involve in new technologies and new business model to meet customer need and satisfaction. Okay, example of the disruptive innovation now is Netflix. Okay. Okay, conclusion. Okay, conclusion can be made is you can see the sustaining innovation and disruptive innovation. Okay, from all four types of innovation, sustaining and disruptive innovation are most reliable and widely employed in recent industrial market in Malaysia. Nevertheless, there are few distinct difference between sustaining and disruptive innovation as described as table below. Okay, sustaining innovation first is problem is well understand, but disruptive innovation problem not well elaborate and understood. Okay, point number 2, reliable sustaining innovation reliable to existing market, but disruptive innovation reliable to new market. Okay, point number 3, innovation improve performance, lower the cost and incremental change. But innovation is disruptive innovation is dramatic into fast-paced and game-changing. Okay, and then is the another point. Okay, we go to the last slide, conclusion. Okay, in my opinion, the type of innovation that I will choose for my organization is business is the sustaining innovation. Okay, there are many benefits of implementing this type of innovation, such as the overall problem in terms of process and cost structure are well understood and the market is predictable. By having a predictable market, I will able to immediate action and prompt decision to sustain my business. Apart from that, sustaining innovation may also tremendously improve by organization performance, lower the operating cost and incremental change, and this type of innovation improve and maintain the profit margin from running business by exploring current process and cost structure, whilst making better use of current competitive advantage in terms of product or service performance. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thanks for watch. Hopefully you understand. Thank you.